Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor X6 and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then scroll down to find accounts. Of course you can do it by using this Google section, but personally I prefer this one. So let me tap on it and tap on Add Account. Here let's choose Google. And make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. And from this step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it, and just a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the add symbol, because after tapping on next your device will also fill it, of course, if you will enter it correctly. Okay. So right now we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course, you can remove it whenever you want to. Just tap on it and tap on remove. Tap on remove again, and the account has been deleted. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to manage Google account in your Honor X6. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.